What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Y'all look, today's video, bro, just gonna be showing y'all how in the world do I wash this car, man. Right, y'all, I'm not the most detailed oriented person, CEEFAM. I'm not no car detailer. I'm just a regular average dude, bro, who shit recognizes car dirty. So shit, I'm gonna just take y'all, man, how do I clean this car, y'all? All right, so yeah, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and also keep in mind, man, this is cleaning it after we got it ceramic coated, CEEFAM. So it should be a lot easier, man, right? The dust and dirt and all that should just fall off. I believe we got this car ceramic coated the first week of April, right? It's obviously May 4th, whatever the hell it is right now, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna definitely see, man, right? Y'all look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Let's get to it. So I'm about to show y'all, man, how the car looked beforehand, y'all. As y'all can see, I hope y'all can see, this car is crazy dirty, man. So like I said, bro, the car is ceramic coated and all that, CEEFAM. It's been raining, all that, bro, thundering, crazy weather out here in Germany, y'all. So yeah, just want to show y'all boys how this thing looks so far beforehand, and then yeah, pretty much take y'all to the after. So to say it, I haven't washed the car, y'all, in weeks, almost a month. The car still look decent, you know what I'm saying? People still give me head nods like, hey man, nice car, blah 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 blah. But yeah, I know this boy is dirty, for sure dirty, man. You know, a little bit of dust and all that, man. Like if you feel the car, it still feels smooth though. That's the ceramic coat. But yeah, bro, look at my, damn, it's not bad though. It's not too bad. I've seen worse cars out here for sure, but look at this. Rain, bro. It's tough. Look at this, bro. Ooh, yeah, just want to give y'all boys an idea, man, of how bad the car is, bro. My wheels and stuff, whatever, you know. But yeah, man, so shit, hopefully this thing over here works, CEEFAM. This is like an army, I don't even know, it's like an army wash station pretty much. It's like our handheld car wash. So yeah, I could have took my stuff, man, through the automatic car wash and all that, CEEFAM, but I'm not gonna do that just because we definitely got it ceramic coated and I don't want to mess up the paint on the car, y'all. So yeah, finna pull this boy in and just, yeah, get to washing, man. So hey, let's get to it, bro. I'm excited to get this boy clean.
gonna come right behind me. Don't come right behind me, kid, boy. Yep, that'll work. What all this damn soap is that's on my car, bro.
60 left. That's all I really needed. Alright, all I pretty much did, y'all, was just shit, rinse it off, man. That's all I really should have to do, being that it's ceramic coated. I don't want to chance it. Oh, not that Lucci. Yeah, I don't really want to chance it, man, and like put the wrong soap on it or put stuff that's not supposed to be on it, you know? So yeah, all I'm really about to do now, shit, just go park it somewhere and then shit, dry it off pretty much. So I'm gonna see what's up, so I can just find a spot so I can wipe it down, all that good stuff, man. Let's see. Man, I really don't like coming over here, bro, because, man, there's just too many people, dog. Like, constantly, you know? Always got people here, bro. I just be feeling like everybody just be watching and looking, bro. That'd be the most annoying. Like, be feeling like I really can't just, like, you know, dry my car or wash my car in peace. Pretty much, CEEFAM, so. Alright, I don't know. So as I was washing it and stuff, felt like there was, I don't know, all kind of like soap and stuff on it. I don't know if y'all can tell, but see how it was just beating up in the ceramic coat, baby. So all I'm gonna really get, man, I'm gonna start out with this towel right here first, pretty much. And then yeah, pretty much shit, just go like that. Voila, that boy should be clean, you heard me? Good little rinse off. And like I said, y'all, that's really why I got the ceramic coat in the first place, y'all. You know what I mean? Just so I don't have to go crazy on a wash or nothing like that, man. I can just rinse it off and then shit, it should be good, y'all. So yeah, I know y'all boys is probably expecting me to go ham, go crazy on my wash and all that, y'all. Nah, bro, that's what the ceramic paint correction, all that shit was good for, man. Should be light, slight. Yeah, that boy taking it right off too. Look at that. Ooh. That F8 green undefeated, boy. I don't know, ain't no other color messing with this boy, y'all, for sure. Now that's just my opinion though. I don't know. My opinion, CEEFAM. I don't know, could be wrong. Comment down below another color y'all like from Mopar, man. I don't know. Yes, sir. Ooh, look at them beads up top, man. Y'all see that? It's crazy work. Yeah, it look like everybody come here and wash their cars, bro. I don't like a place with high traffic like this, bro. Just too much people, man. For real. Telling y'all, so by the time I'm done with this boy, they gonna be shining, you hear me? Good shiny, bro. But yeah, I might speed up this part of the video for real, y'all. Pretty sure y'all don't want to just see me wipe the car down, but it's part of the process, man. You know, never leave the car wash with your car wet. You know what I mean? Never do that, y'all. That's how them hard water spots start to accumulate, man, for real. So never do that, y'all. Always park and wipe your car down, man, for sure. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I used to be one of them people, man, that just shit, leave the car wash, don't really care to wipe the car down. Oh well, shit, once I leave, then the car, well, the wind from me driving should pull the water off and dry the car. It's the wrong way of thinking, y'all. Promise y'all, man. Definitely it's the wrong way of thinking. So yeah, do not do that, boy. Cause I used to be the same way, for sure. Oh. Yeah, not trying to miss no spots, boy. Yeah, that boy like glass now, for sure. I wish I had a damn blow dryer or something, boy, so I can just blow dry all the water off first. That would have been good. Saved me a lot of time, man. Because as soon as I start driving, all the water that's underneath here, like all the water that's in them hard to reach spots, water gonna start seeping through. And then you're gonna have runnage, like water gonna start running from in here, water gonna start running from under here, y'all. So I wish I had a blow dryer. Just blow dry in between all the little cracks and spots and crevices, man. But it's all good though. I know how it be already. Then I got another towel too, man, I'm gonna use if I see that this one just getting too wet. Ramstein used cars, Ramstein wash park. Boy, come off like butter, bro. Alright, CEEFAM, just finished washing the car, man. So unfortunately, CEEFAM, I wasn't able to get y'all pretty much all the behind the scenes, man. As y'all seen, bro, the washing place, bro, was really busy, really packed, CEEFAM. But as y'all see, man, I was trying to get as much of the wheel as I could, y'all, but like, see, like in the back of here, in the back of the spoke, pretty much, it's really hard to get in there, CEEFAM. Like, I don't know, like even back here, I tried back here, y'all, to get in there, but I couldn't get all the way back there, CEEFAM. So yeah, the car shit is pretty much finished. Try my best, y'all, you hear me? Put some good tire shine on that boy and everything, y'all. Yeah, like I said, bro, I'm not a detailer. I'm not, you know, I'm just a regular person, just like y'all. Look, this is what I was talking about, man. So as you start driving, man, you're gonna get water and all that. It's gonna be seeping down out of the cracks, right? So once the wind hit the car, you're gonna get water from everywhere, just start dripping. So I need to invest in a goddamn blow dryer or something. So shit, right as I'm finished, I can just blow dry out all the little cracks and little spots, and then shit, I should be good after that, y'all. So, but yeah, sheesh. I mean, this boy look good, y'all. Nevertheless, you hear me? It looked pretty good, man. Let me pop the, let me see something. Ooh. Let's see, man. Underneath the hood, yeah, underneath the hood, bro, it's really slept on, man. So as y'all see the light up badge too, man. That boy got that boy going too. Still working, so I must have did something good, CEEFAM. But yeah, underneath the hood, you know, still look good too, man. You know, cleaned it up a little bit, wiped it down. So that's that. But yeah, man, sheesh, I really love this green, man, no matter what. But yeah, sorry, CEEFAM, I haven't really brought y'all boys a video in, man, think about 2 weeks, bro. Your boy been busy with work, going through it, man. Ain't no excuse, you hear me? If I want to get to that 20K mark, I got to be consistent, right? It's called self-accountability, man, right, y'all? I'm not here to make excuses. If I was busy, I was just busy, plain and simple, y'all. But yeah, let me know how y'all think this boy came out. You heard me? Got the wheels nice and light. Smooth car wash. Came out pretty good, man. But yeah, while that's going, man, just want to show y'all boys that, hey, this boy right here clean now. I'm still on them damn M3s. I'm still on it, y'all. This boy is beautiful, bro. They want 82 885, man. You heard me? It's a 25 X drive, bro. Sheesh. The white interior. Don't got the carbon bucket seats, man, but hey, that's cool. Got the Alcantara suite or whatever steering wheel. Hey, this boy nice though, man. This boy is nice. And I mean, yeah, they got some other stuff on the lot, CEEFAM, but that's not really what this video about. They just got this one shit parked right here in the front, so for everybody to see. So I'm just like, well, shit, I might as well show y'all boys then, since that's what they got on the lot. This got to be like their best car too, y'all. So yeah, boy, good. And you know it's an M by the stitching on the seat belts. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the M stitching on the seat belts, man, that's how you know. Pilot Sport Force. Yeah, this boy nice right here, man. I would definitely cop. But for 82, I mean, that's just what these boys going for, man. So, but yeah, shout out BMW military sales, man. Shout out to y'all. But yeah, that boy not faster than this boy. Stock for stock and all that. That boy not faster than this boy right here, CEEFAM. So, but yeah, man, sheesh. I'm about to get back in the car and slide back to the crib, man. Just wanted to give y'all boys a look. I'm all in the middle of the street with it too, man. I don't care. You heard me? It's really like that. But yeah, CEEFAM, hey, look, I appreciate all y'all support, man. It's getting dark out here. It's like 7:30 at night, but it's still daytime out here, y'all. So, hey, I appreciate all y'all support, man. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. You heard me? I'm C-Will, and y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, baby.